accidents now even.
What are you doing? Looking at your phone?
Get the vaccine, you won't get COVID. Not true. Found out a few weeks after he said that. People who had been fully vaccinated started getting COVID. Remember the whole thing about herd immunity? We got to get to herd immunity, then it'll go away. People are still getting COVID. That didn't happen.
She
so
drew her
we
attention.
were wrong. The health experts were wrong on a great many things. I'll give them some latitude.
It's amazing how many times I hear about drunk drivers in the morning.
And then you had pressure too from the wider community. You can't say this. You can't offer this alternative. You can't suggest a safer at home.
So what did the doctors say? What did they say at the
Just they'd fit us into the schedule. The doctors had been alerted that we're on the way.
Look at it. She just pulled right out in front of her.
There's something impaired going on there.
I'll grant you though, she's a patently false.
Just go left and get away from.
Well, you should actually be reporting drunk drivers, Diane.
The cop was right there.
I know. Just let me talk to this cop for a second.
Everyone heard what ivermectin was, or hydroxychloroquine.
That blue car you noticed must be drunk.
Impaired.
Impaired somehow. She's. Yes. She pulled right out in front of somebody on this street.
Okay, is she on Waukesha?
Yeah, she's headed. Yeah, she's headed towards Grand.
All right, thank
Is someone honking their horn at the cop?
Oh yeah,
Are the people stupid?
they're impatient.